Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be kind of an epic unboxing. I got 3 packages in the mail. I kind of know what 2 of them are. There's like a little one in between. It's going to be pretty big. You're going to be, I think, impressed by what's inside. It's a lot of Golden Age awesomeness, and I want to show you what's inside. So I'll open up the first box. It's going to be a couple of slabs, a few slabs, actually 3 slabs, I believe. So let's get into it. I've been trying to get my complete Wonder Woman collection, and also I'm collecting a lot of Schomburg art. So you'll see that when you see this unboxing that it's pretty relevant to say all this. Wow, they wrapped it really, really well. Now these are pretty awesome covers. These are sort of one of the things that Alex Schomburg, a Golden Age artist, is known for is his airbrush style cover art. And these are kind of like, examples of his brilliance as an artist. So I'm going to put those right there. So the first one is Exciting Comics number 66. And this is, it's a low grade, but it's an awesome cover. You can see just his brilliance. It's like he's just a great artist. Everything's just kind of going up this way. You see the bullet going that way. Everything is just, it sort of captures your eye and draws it into the comic. So this is Exciting Comics number 66, Alex Schomburg cover. Nothing really special except for that, that it is his good girl art. This is a very famous cover by Alex Schomburg. So that's the first. Now, next one is another Alex Schomburg. These are all Alex Schomburg covers. Is Thrilling Comics number 64. And this is, you can see, it's like really good girl art. You got the Jungle Girl, another airbrush style cover. And it's, I guess that's Princess Panther. So just a really cool Thrilling Comics number 64. Just a really great, just brilliant artwork. I'm not sure if you can really see how, sexy and, just awesome is. Like, see all the action. She's fighting the snake. She's fighting to hold on her clothing. It's just like, it's awesome. It's pretty cool. So now the next one is the one that I actually am most excited about. And there's no pun intended when I say that, because this is Exciting Comics number 53. Now, this is the first cover appearance of Miss Masque. It's a character that I like from the Golden Age. She kind of got revived recently. But it's just a really kind of cool character. She has no superpowers. She's kind of like a detective. She goes around solving crimes. And it's just a really great cover of her. I really like Miss Masque. Just kind of very sexy, bombshell kind of character. And she fights crime and saves the world. Just awesome. So yeah, that's her first cover. And it's another Alex Schomburg, obviously. What else? Yeah, nothing else too really exciting about it, but it is just a really great cover. And it's her first cover too, so that's makes that one a very cool comic. So the next is this other part, big unboxing. Now this is going to be all Wonder Woman, Golden Age Wonder Woman. I was able to kind of meet a collector that has a lot of this stuff. who watches my channel. And we kind of struck a deal on some cool Golden Age. This is why I'm enjoying my channel. My channel is my way of finding the comics that I like and getting them at reasonable prices. So this guy, he gave me a reasonable price on these, around a little bit under fair market value. So that's always good. You know, Golden Age Wonder Woman is really hard to appraise, actually, because, you know, you can't go to Go Collect for most of them and find out what the price is. You have to go to GPA analysis and then, you know, look up past auction sales and stuff. And it's not like there's like thousands of sales. It's more like 1 or 2 sales a year. So it's really hard to get a fair market value of these things because it's just, there's not much sale history. So, you know, it's one of those things where you really have to determine and kind of do a little bit of guessing in terms of how much these comics are worth. So this is going to be all Golden Age Wonder Woman once I get it open. And it's just important to note that there's just not many. If you look at the census, a typical one is like 40. You know, that's all there are on the CGC census. That doesn't mean that that's all they're out there. It's just that that's all the graded copies, that there's maybe only 40 in existence. Probably later I'll get mine graded, so I'll be upping those numbers on the census, but it is one of those things where they're really rare comics. And let's see what we got here. So these are all golden, as I said, Golden Age Wonder Woman. And I got a bunch of covers, so I'll show you which ones I got. And they're all like mid to low grade. So we got Wonder Woman 46. This is one of those issues that I've been trying to get for a while. I really liked it for some reason. I love the clocks. I just think it's a really great cover. Her kind of battling all these crazy clocks. I just think it's a really great cover. And next one is Wonder Woman number 48. And just another great cover. And this is an earlier Wonder Woman. This is Wonder Woman number 22. So the earlier ones get a bit more pricey. And then we got Wonder Woman 29. And this is the first appearance of this dude. I forget what his name is. I'm trying to remember. You can tell me in the comments below who it is. Mr. something. I'm just something like that. I'm trying to remember his name. But this is his first appearance. Number 29. And then we have Wonder Woman 38. And there is something special about this, but I can't remember it. I forgot what there is something special about this one as well, but I'm trying to remember it. Yeah, I don't remember. So that's it. So that's the Wonder Woman Golden Age collection. It was like 5 comics. Not too bad. Getting closer to having a complete run of Wonder Woman. I think I need another 60 comics and then I'll have the complete run. Which is still a lot, but I'm getting there. Eventually I'll get there. And I'm now opening this last one. This last one, they did a nice job of putting these tabs on it to make it a little easier. Oh, and more tabs to pull. I'm just like pulling all these little tabs. Let's see what it is. Oh, and oh, brilliant comic. Okay, so 1 sec here. I gotta do more. Okay. Oh, wow, this one arrived really quick. I just ordered this like 2-3 days ago when I'm recording this video. This is a modern comic. This is Super Sons Annual Number 1. Now, you're probably like wondering, what is so special about this one? This is the first appearance of the Super Pets, the Legion of Super Pets. So yeah, it's kind of like you see, you got Ace over here, you got Crypto. That's it actually, and it's their first appearance as a team in continuity. Now there's an earlier appearance of the Super Pets, you know, but this is their first appearance in continuity, if that makes sense. I think this is Earth, whatever. I think it's Earth Prime. You know, there's all these variant Earths. So, but this is kind of a key. They're making a new movie with some of the Super Pets in it, so it'll be kind of cool. I don't know. It was $5. Not so. We got awesome Golden Age, and then we got some modern, kind of cool little spec comic. But I'm really enjoying this one right now. This is my big exciting comic. So yeah, so that was my unboxing. Some major Golden Age stuff and some little bit of modern. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.